Hello friends, welcome to BMH Learning. This video is about HIV rapid test. These are called rapid tests because the result can usually be given within a few minutes. These point of care tests can be done using tiny sample of blood, oral fluid, urine, or sometimes vaginal discharge. What do these tests detect? So most rapid tests detect HIV antibodies and viral antigen. These antibodies are not part of HIV itself but are produced by the human body in response to HIV infection. On the other hand, an antigen is a part of the HIV virus that triggers your immune system to fight the infection and in turn produce antibodies. So the test may find antibody and antigen as early as 23 days after infection, but it may take as long as 90 days before your body makes enough antibodies to show up on this test. Now, a wide range of point-of-care tests have been manufactured. You can have a look. Advantage: you don't have to send this sample to a lab and wait for results. You will know at home within 20 to 40 minutes. Pros: additional lab testing is needed after a positive result. Even when used correctly, the test can produce a small number of false positive and false negative results. This was all. Thanks for watching.